We're going on a road trip. Can you guys be a little excited?
We're very late.
No, we're not. We're not late at all. It's literally 8:30. So where are we going?
We are going to Nashik.
We're going to Aspen. We're going skiing. This is our song from 2021. Me, Ishan, Madhulika and Devansh during peak lockdown went on a staycation to ITC. Kisses, you're my favorite. Hi vloggy vlog.
Hi vloggy vlog. Why are you not wearing masks?
We're supposed to wear.
What if they stop us?
Saas pakad ke baith jao. Show us your road trip outfit. Wow, he has a fanny pack and everything.
This fanny pack is like 20 years old. Pull up, Bubba G's out of California. The data was 3 years. The song was in August.
6 months.
Oh my god, same 1 month.
Same 1 month and 6 months relationships are very different.
I was with them in my head for 5 months.
Yes.
Hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes.
We see McDonald's. Everybody say woo! We love you. All I want for Christmas is you.
I can't do all this fast food and all. I need something healthy. You know, I need like a poke bowl.
A what bowl? What's a poke bowl?
Are you stupid? What kind of an LA girl are you?
The one who goes to Nashik.
This is a poke bowl, you stupid cup.
What's a poke bowl? What?
Oh, कुछ भी बोल रहा है. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship that has gauze.
Gauze.
What? It sounds like a disease.
Gossip is a disease.
Almost died. But I need gauze to survive.
How to do so?
What are you having?
1 iced coffee, rice, and 1 cloud mangoes. That's what we like.
Clown man.
Fries and coffee because that's my poke bowl.
Money. Are you single?
Yes.
What are you texting Kendall Jenner?
I'm texting Devansh Bora.
Same thing, same thing. We have the essentials.
Under me without a smoke, and my panties they came with a pole.
Guys, doesn't this look like it's Arosa and not Ayush?
What the f is Arosa though?
I don't know. किसी का नाम हो सकता है ईशान. Love will find a way.
Lost way.
Johnny.
Swear we're gonna hit Party Rock on the TV when you see me.
What's poppin'?
We just got here.
We don't know what to do now.
And we're in the middle of nowhere.
There's like khet everywhere.
I see cows. Let's go and look at cows. I'm telling
We
you.
also touch cow.
Why not, bro?
Bro, यहाँ तो हर
Do you
सड़क पे
get to
मिलता
touch
है.
cows in
Yes.
Bombay?
Yes, literally just like put your hand out of your car, bro. We have our pool. It's freezing.
I thought we got heated pool, honey.
Dryer लेके खड़े हो जाओ बस. So we're sitting by the pool and we're just chilling. We're having like a few drinks and we're eating something.
Swear to God it's just a 40-minute drive to my house in the valley.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm talking
Lot
big.
less.
Yeah, I'm talking
Better
big.
it, lot
Yeah, I'm
less.
talking. Hi you guys, so today I'm at work. I'm early today because it's Prachi's birthday tonight, so the whole gang is meeting up, we're going out, we're hitting the town. It's been so long since the whole gang just came together because I've been so busy with work. Currently something really exciting is going on. I mean, if you read the title of this video, you already know, but anyways. So currently like setup and testing is going on. This is like the BTS of how celebrity interviews take place. Of course, we have to share this.
Yes.
No idea.
Yes. I think every single night happens.
So Rohit's gonna come here now because he's gonna like surprise a few friends, fans with the fun. Hello! Guess where I'm at? As usual, I'm at McDonald's. And look who's here! Anyway, so we've come to McDonald's. We're just getting all the food and the fuel for the gang because they're coming late as usual. How are you feeling? Hungry! Prachi and I are like at the back of the SUV. They're like It's a half broke bitch, high heels, 6 inch in the back of the nightclub. to the champagne. Back to the practice to the cocaine. Back to the intro, back to the car, to my Bentley, to the hotel. I was like in an Innova, like yeah, back to the Bentley.
Trauma.
Looks like we're going to heaven, bro. We're waiting for like Madhulika and all because they're taking so freaking long to walk in there. Correct. Yeah, we'll see you inside. Hello, we are at Toy Room. I'm finally reunited with all my girls. She's 21. She's here legally, bro. The last time that I have a memory of coming to Toy Room, I was lying on this couch, throwing up in that bathroom. Like I was just because I couldn't like. Birthday girl, say hi. Do you have your crown? Or you're wearing a crown? Yeah. Yes. Ani didn't come, which was like really sad. We're really mad at him. We're always mad at him. In like half an hour, you'll see like Toy Room girls like lying on the couch, like just yeah, like exactly. That's exactly how. And that's when you make friends, bro. Like that's the cheat code to life. Not in a predator creepy way. Like just like in a, hey, you're so pretty. You're so beautiful. Madhulika is wearing really ugly ass shoes, which belong to my mom, by the way. She forgot her heels. It's fine. It's fine. It's really dark. So cute and shit. And then there's just like the ratchet showing. Like the ratchet is showing. Cheers to love. Cheers to honor. If you can't ignore, honor.
Here comes the hot step, here comes the hot step, but word up.
369 girls wanna drink wine. Tell the man not to waste your time. If the man broke, the man he a joke. So you gotta get loose with the Henny and the Coke. 3, 2, 1 girls wanna have fun. If the man don't dance, he's done.
He's suddenly so happy to be at Toy Room. We're going somewhere else now because, well, we were bored now. Basically, Karishma couldn't like eat her burger. These freaking idiots have hidden the burger in like a bush somewhere.
You see if the food is still there or if some homeless person is
Bro, what homeless person comes to Grand Hyatt to explain in brief?
outside. Anyone can come.
They've not hidden it outside, they've hidden it inside only.
No, it's outside. Not
What?
inside. On the road they have hidden it.
That's stupid now. Bro, किसी को दे देते. It's still there?
It's still there.
What you doing? Texting your boyfriend? Yeah, of course you are. We always come back to our roots of eating McDonald's on the side of the street.
Look at them.
Like we'll be on a freaking jet and then they'll be like on the street side eating McDonald's on paper.
Always awesome.
Okay, let's freaking go. So we've left Toy Room. There was apparently an event today which we had no idea about. Everyone thinks that we went to see some singer called Daku. And we had absolutely no freaking idea.
Daku is the song.
The name
No,
of the
his
song
the singer's name is also Daku.
And the name of the song.
हाँ, उसका नाम भी डाकू है.
Do not put this footage on YouTube. You don't even know what you're talking about, and then they'll think you're a bimbo.
But I am. good music, like ops to him.
Jhooty.
No, I genuinely like
Yeah,
enjoy it.
exactly. That's why we rushed out as soon as he started playing.
That's because we didn't know any of his other songs.
Please don't put this on YouTube, we're gonna get cancelled.
Yeah. A drop.
What the fuck? What that? Literally just like put your hand out of your car, bro.
She literally told him. Yeah, I told him it's my birthday. Don't.
Never flirt with a man because he will call you continuously and ruin your night. So now Prachi's gonna deal with it because I'm a non-confrontational human being.
I am calling him.
Get my
Call him
phone and
again and again.
Just like it has to be. Prachi's like my guard dog, bro. Like I'm unleashing her on him.
Exactly.
She's our bouncer. She's like the tiniest human being. She's like our bouncer.
हेलो कॉल मत कर मेरा बर्थडे है एक बार में समझ में नहीं आता है तुझे हाँ कितने बार बोलूं मैं वापस कॉल किया ना देख हर जगह ब्लॉक करवा दूंगी
She said that.